Atmospheres. Create new sphere. Add slightly bigger sphere. Create a new material. Call it atmosphere or something. And then add a shadergraph to go with it. Add that shadergraph to the slightly bigger sphere and open it up. Fresnel node multiplied with color. Create a new custom function and a normal vector above it. Add this gibberish. Line it up with a directional light in the scene. Just change the numbers around. It'll work. Dot product and then clamp between 0 and 1, or otherwise it doesn't work. Multiply this with our colored Fresnel node and sunset time. Another Fresnel node multiplied with a sunset color and then multiply it slightly down or up. It doesn't matter. Create a weird looking gradient and then sample gradient the clamp node. Multiply it with the original clamp node and you have a band, except it's dark, so multiply it a bit. Multiply the now brighter band with your sunset Fresnel. Add it to the original Fresnel. Get a black and white version. Add that to alpha and then plug the normal thing into emission. And now we have a simple, cheap, and totally not rushed atmosphere.